Hey friends, can we just keep it real for a second? Guys, I've had a pretty stressful morning. And so I had two options for lunch, frankly. One was head straight to the nearest Mexican restaurant and down a pitcher of red sangria with some nachos, or run through the drive-thru at the KFC and just get myself a vat of mashed potatoes. Oh, let me start over. Hello, my name is Kathy, and I'm a stress eater. Anyway, I've had just a stressful, it's been stressful. We can all relate to that, right? It's the holidays, there's work, maybe there's not work, maybe there's kid stuff, family stuff, there's all kinds of stuff going on. But I didn't do either one of those things. I remembered that I was like, oh my gosh, this will be a great opportunity for me to try out the Palmini mashed potatoes. And I'm just going to tell you right now, I'm going to eat this whole pouch. But I'm going to feel less guilty about it than I would had I actually made the run through the KFC drive-thru and got a vat of their mashed potatoes, because there's 3 servings per container, 30 calories, and 2 net carbs. So what that means is that I can have my vat of mashed potatoes for 90 calories and 6 net carbs. Now, they do have instructions on the back here for loaded Palmini mash. So obviously this is made from heart of palm. So let me go ahead and show you what this looks like. I think I got this in a pack of 3 off of Amazon. So 30 calories, 4 grams of carbs, 2 net because there's a couple grams of fiber in here, gluten-free, sugar-free, which is great. So vegan, non-GMO, all those cool words that you people that are way healthier than me probably look for. Now, the instructions on the back do recommend the loaded Palmini mashed. 1 pouch of this, couple of tablespoons of butter, some bacon bits, cup of cheddar cheese, some chives, salt, and pepper. Now, I'm not that kind of cook, so I don't have chives here, but I do have everything else. So I heated the whole pouch in the microwave. I added my butter and my cheddar cheese. I didn't use 2 tablespoons. I mean, who's not a fan of butter? But so butter, ooh, it's kind of warm. And I didn't put my bacon in yet, but you can see I've got some little black flecks in there. That's my pepper. So I do have pepper. I'm not a salt girl either. So pepper, cheddar, my Palmini mash. You guys probably remember my video around my Black Label microwave ready bacon. So I've got my bacon ready to break up and put in my vat of mashed potatoes that I can feel less guilty about. Okay, so let's give it a try. Cheesy. Consistency of mashed potatoes, which is great. And honestly, bacon and cheddar can probably make anything very delicious. And it just might be the stress in me talking, but I'm really digging this. So Palmini, I won't eat this other pouch today. Maybe I'll let John share this one with me next time. But heart of palm mashed potatoes, it really is. So don't judge me. I'm going to go eat this whole bowl because I still have half a day's worth of work to do, so probably pretty smart that I didn't go down that pitcher of sangria. I'm calling this a win. It's really actually tasty. Again, cheese and bacon makes everything better, but it actually does taste pretty good. So if you're so inclined, cauliflower can't fix everything. It just can't. So here's a nice little alternative to that. Well, thanks for tuning in, and I hope that your day is not stressful or less stressful, and wishing all of you just a great weekend.